So first up, sharing rules are not available for objects that are on the detail side of a master-detail relationship. They're not available for any objects that have org-wide defaults set to public read-write, and they're not available for any objects that are controlled by parent. But that should be clear to us at this stage. So in creating a sharing rule, your first decision after thinking of a name is whether you want to choose a rule type based on record owner or on certain criteria. So let's go for a sharing rule based on the record owner first of all. You can share records from and with two sets of groups. So here we go. Now we're going to recognize a lot of these. Okay, there's portal roles and subordinates, and much more on those in the next episode. Public groups, roles, all the subordinates, territories, and subordinates. So for our available criteria, let's look at our options here. Now we won't go through them all, but probably the main one of interest here is text area, which is included in the list. This is the 255 text area, and it can work on contains and does not contain, and it's case insensitive. Also text is in there, and that can obviously include the record's name field. But I think way more important is what's not there, and there's four we really need to remember. There's no multi-select pick lists, or roll-up summaries, formula fields, or encrypted fields available as criteria in your sharing rules. Lastly is the level of access that we want to grant. It's either read-only or read-write. For campaigns, similar to org-wide defaults, you can also grant full access. But as expected, the main exception here is accounts. So you have those options to define access to opportunities, contacts, and cases as either private, read-only, or read-write. Now there is a third sharing rule type called guest user access based on criteria. This is relatively new. It grants unauthenticated guest users to your sites access to records. So you obviously have to be extremely careful when using this type of sharing rule. And when we talk about guest users, we're not talking about portal users. Don't get confused here. Lastly, on sharing rules, occasionally limits come up. The limits here are 300 sharing rules per object, including up to 50 criteria-based rules. Okay, let's leave sharing rules because next up is manual sharing.